Williamsburg. We're going to take you on a walking tour, walking directions on how to get to InvadR from the entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg to InvadR. It's a wooden roller coaster. Actually used Busch Gardens Tampa Gwazi cars, so they kind of recycled the cars. So here it is. Follow our lead. This is the main section of the beginning of the park where you can either go right, straight, or left. We're going to veer to the right. I'm going to speed it up and just follow our lead. Finnegan's Flyer, a screaming swing, and you will pass that on your left and keep going. The Irish section of the park and keep going. So you keep going, veer to the left, past Lockheed Glen over here. Laura Keat Glen, sorry, with the birds. Past that. Go through the France section of the park. Keep it going here. By Griffin. Pass by Griffin and keep going. Pretty much the back of the park. And here we are at InvadR, the wooden roller coaster. Used Gwazi's cars before it became Iron Gwazi. So let's check it out here. Speed you up. So this is InvadR 5.3K, summer 2025, Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Here we go.
Look.
Put it like right here. Rough ride. What'd you think? Let's take you into the station here.
Broken bow. If someone has a broken bow and they have bandage on it, that's